Certified Welding Supervisor is, to me, the most valuable credential. It has literally changed the way that I weld. It has changed my career, and it inspired me to take a deeper look at the science behind welding. Hi everybody, I'm Nate Bowman, weld scientist on Instagram and director of welding optimization and education for Central Welding Supply. Welding traditionally has kind of been passed on as tribal knowledge between generations and generations, and sometimes they get stuck in this same kind of, this is the way that we've always done it. The Certified Welding Supervisor, their job really is to take a look at welding from 35,000 feet and find a new way to do things, a different way to do things that's more efficient and a lot more productive. If you're a welder, you're a shop foreman, and you're looking to make more money in the welding industry, the Certified Welding Supervisor is probably the best way to go. If you really want to be comfortable for your exam, I recommend studying for at least a year. It gives you enough time to become really comfortable with the handbook, as well as an opportunity to even take a week-long seminar right before you take your exam. It's a great way to recap everything that you've learned in the past year, and it really gets you in the right frame of mind for the test. I recommend practical application, implementing a lot of these things that I see in the Certified Welding Supervisor manual in real life and real practice, and seeing the immediate effects on welding productivity. That really kind of opened my eyes to how valuable this credential is. A lot of this stuff makes so much sense on paper. When you get your Certified Welding Supervisor, you realize how much money is being wasted in just inefficiencies. But getting welders to make a change from something that they've done for years is definitely a struggle. In my career, it's definitely the biggest challenge that I face, getting people to understand that these changes are super important. So coming from a welding background is going to give you a huge advantage. That has lended me a lot of credibility with welders over the years because I can actually weld. Your credibility as a Certified Welding Supervisor is absolutely everything. The CWS gives you an opportunity to gain the most knowledge about the welding process, which will make you an indisposable asset in the welding industry.